All right, now tonight's homework video, you must. Okay, that was an announcement. Anyways, the homework tonight, you have to watch the video because I couldn't figure it out. I had to watch the video from Delta Math to make my own video to tell you how to do it. Okay, so now this is homework number 36 for Wednesday the 6th. So now the math itself isn't difficult. Putting your answer on Delta Math is. Okay, so now let's talk math first. So the mathematical aspect of this is very straightforward. So for instance, 3 squared, right, would indicate that this is 3 times 3, a number multiplied by itself. The number here is called base. That's called the exponent or the power. Remember that we had this discussion some time ago, right? So a number multiplied by itself in this example would be 3 times 3, that's 9. Let's do one more. So what's 5 squared, right? 5 times 5. So the answer is not 10. 5 times 5 is 25 instead. Okay? So having said that, we're going to do the same thing with a fraction. Now, notice how there's a parentheses here, meaning this. If there's a parentheses covering it, we're taking this whole expression, 3/7, and then we're going to multiply it by itself. Like this, 2 of these. You understand? If there was no parentheses, so for instance, if you see something like this, you're not looking at 3/7 times 3/7. You know what it really is? It's 3 squared. It's 3 times 3 divided by 7. So you see the difference, all right, in the answer. Now, having said that, 3 times 3, okay, so we're just doing this one, right, with the parentheses. 3 times 3 is 9. What's 7 times 7? 49. That's it. Now, here's the hard part. The hard part, and we'll do one more of these, okay? So don't feel like you have to get it like one time. So to do that, you would have to expand the form. So they want you to show work, in other words. And showing work on Delta Math is not always the easiest, as you probably know. So, okay, how do we show work? So they want you to put, let me do the blue. They want you to show work here. So the question is, how do you put that in here, right? So watch very, very carefully. I'm going to do the first fraction first, 3/7 like this. You got it? Now, you see how there's a multiplication sign? Don't press that. Here's why. If you press that, the multiplication sign only goes to the bottom. You don't want that. So I'm going to start over and show you how to do this. So 3/7, right? 3/7. And then you press the space bar. Okay? So space bar. How the cursor went from just next to the 7. If I once again I'm gonna press the space bar. Now it's in the middle. Okay, they didn't even show you that on Delta Math. They just assume you know how to do that. Doesn't matter. That's why I'm here. Okay, so I'm gonna press the multiplication button, and then I'm gonna do it one more time. 3/7, like that. You got it now. So answer is 9/49, right? And I'm gonna submit my answer. And that's it. Okay, one more time. Okay, I gotta clear everything. So one more time. All right. Now here, I'm gonna skip the first step, writing 5/8 times 5/8. All right, because I'm gonna do it down here. Okay. So again, the one you show work. How do you show work? 5/8, 5 or 8. Don't press this yet. Press the space bar like that, and then you put in the other fraction, 5/8. Oh my God, oh, I forgot to press the multiplication button. Let's start over. 5/8 space bar times 5/8 like that. Now, what's the answer? Well, 5 is 25, 8 is 64, right? Looks like we don't have to simplify. Nope. And there you go. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. I know the video is a little long, but tomorrow we'll do one example and then you don't have to do it because tomorrow's homework's the same. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.